Do you want to speak English about your life? Do you want to feel confident when you go to a restaurant or talk to your friends? Today, I will show you how to use simple English to talk about food and your daily plans. We will learn how to describe what we eat and how we spend our time. This video is for you if you want to be a better speaker. Let us start now. Many people find it difficult to talk about their food choices. They do not know the right words. Imagine you are at a big table with new people. Someone asks if you want a piece of chicken. You need to know how to say no in a polite way. You need to explain why you do not eat certain things. We will learn words like vegetarian and vegan and pescatarian. These words help you tell the world who you are. Using these words makes your English sound strong and clear. Let us look at our first story about a man named Leo. Leo is a student. He loves to go to the park. One day, his friend asks him to go to a burger shop. Leo says, "I am sorry, but I am a vegetarian." This means Leo does not eat meat. He does not eat beef. He does not eat chicken. He only eats vegetables and fruit. His friend says, "That is okay. We can go to a place with many options. This is a group project in real life. You must talk to your friends to make a plan that works for everyone. When you work in a group, you must listen. You must also speak your truth." Leo told his friend what he needed. Now they can have a happy lunch together. You can do this too. If you do not eat meat, you can say, "I am a vegetarian." It is a simple sentence, but it is very important. Now, let us talk about another student named Anna. Anna is not a vegetarian. She is a vegan. Being a vegan is a little more difficult. A vegan does not eat meat, but a vegan also does not eat anything that comes from an animal. This means no eggs and no milk and no cheese. Anna even looks at her shoes. She does not wear leather. Leather comes from an animal. Anna only wears shoes made of cloth or plastic. She says that leather is an animal-based product. She does not use animal-based products. This is her lifestyle. When Anna goes to the grocery store, she reads the labels. She looks for a special symbol. This symbol says the food is safe for vegans. Sometimes it is tough for Anna. Tough means difficult. It is tough to find a restaurant that only has vegan food. But Anna is happy. She feels good about her choices. Talking to professors is also important for students. Imagine a student named Sam. Sam has a big presentation about food science. He goes to see his professor. He says, "Hello, professor. I want to talk about my project." The professor is very kind. Sam explains that he wants to talk about how more and more people are becoming vegetarians. More and more means the number is growing. The professor says that is a great idea. Sam asks for help with his English. The professor says Sam should use simple words. Sam feels less nervous now. He knows that his professor is there to help him. If you have a question for your teacher, you should always ask. Do not be afraid. Teachers like it when students want to learn. Giving presentations can make you feel scared, but you can do it. Let us look at Sam again. It is the day of his presentation. He stands in front of the class. He takes a deep breath. He says, "Hello, everyone. Today I will talk about pescatarians." A pescatarian is a person who does not eat meat, but they do eat fish and seafood. Seafood is food from the sea, like shrimp or fish. Sam shows a picture of a delicious fish salad. He says that many people choose this diet because they want to be healthy. The class listens carefully. Sam speaks slowly. He uses pauses. He does not rush. When he finishes, everyone claps. Sam is very proud. You can give a great presentation too. Just remember to use simple words and speak slowly. People want to hear what you have to say. Networking is about meeting new people and making friends. Imagine a woman named Maria. Maria goes to a meeting for people who love cooking. She meets a man named Paul. She wants to start a conversation. She says, "Hello, my name is Maria. Do you like to cook?" Paul says yes. He says he loves to cook steak. A steak is a big piece of beef. Maria smiles and says, "I really feel like having a steak tonight." This is a common phrase. Feel like having means you want to eat something right now. Paul says he knows a great place for steak. They talk about different recipes. Maria learns that Paul is a great chef. They exchange phone numbers. Now Maria has a new friend to talk about cooking with. This is how you network. You ask a simple question and you listen to the answer. It is easy and fun. Sometimes we want to go out with our friends quickly. We use the phrase, "grab something to eat." Grab something to eat means to go and eat a meal together. Imagine you are at work. It is 12 o'clock. You look at your coworker. You say, "Do you want to go grab something to eat?" Your coworker says, "Sure. What do you feel like having?" You say, "I feel like having a salad." You go to a small cafe together. You talk about your work and your families. This is a great way to practice your English in a relaxed way. You do not need to use big words, you just need to be friendly. Being a vegetarian or a vegan can be a challenge in different countries. In some places, it is very easy. There are many restaurants with green signs. In other places, it is very tough. People might not understand why you do not eat meat. They might think it is strange, but do not worry. You can explain it simply. You can say, "My body feels better when I eat vegetables." Or you can say, "I love animals, so I do not eat them." Most people will respect your choices if you are kind. More and more people are thinking about what they eat. This is a big topic in the world today. Some people eat meat every day. Other people never eat meat. There is no right or wrong answer. The important thing is that you can talk about it in English. You can share your opinion. You can ask other people what they think. You can say, "What do you think about being a vegan?" This starts a great conversation. Let us review the important words we learned today. A vegetarian does not eat meat. A vegan does not eat or use anything from an animal. A pescatarian eats fish but no other meat.
Seafood is food that comes from the sea. Tough means something is difficult. Animal-based products are things like leather or milk. Feel like having means you want something right now. Grab something to eat means to go for a meal. These are high-frequency words. This means people use them all the time. If you learn these words, you will understand many conversations.
I want you to feel encouraged. Learning a new language is a long journey. You are doing a great job by watching this video. You are taking steps to improve your life. Every day you can learn one new word. Every day you can say one new sentence. Soon you will be able to speak for a long time. You will be able to tell your whole story. Imagine your future. You are traveling to a new city. You walk into a restaurant. You look at the menu. You see many things you do not know, but you do not feel scared. You call the waiter. You say, "Hello, I am a vegan. Do you have any animal-based products in this soup?" The waiter tells you the ingredients. You order a delicious meal. You feel happy and safe. This is why we study. We study so we can live our lives without fear. We study so we can be free to go anywhere. I am here to help you. I am your friend and your teacher. I want you to succeed. Do not be hard on yourself if you forget a word. Just try again. Practice makes you stronger. You can watch this video many times. You can repeat the sentences after me. This is called shadowing. It is a great way to help your mouth learn the sounds of English. Think about your favorite food. Is it an animal-based product, or is it made of vegetables? Try to describe it in English right now. Say, "My favorite food is," "It is made of," "It tastes delicious." You are speaking English. You are doing it. I am so proud of your progress today. We talked about many things. We talked about diets and presentations and professors and networking. All of these things are part of your life. When you use English to talk about your life, it becomes real. It is not just a book. It is your voice. I want to hear from you. What do you feel like having for dinner tonight? Are you a vegetarian or a vegan? Tell me in the comments. I will read your messages. It is good to practice writing too. Writing helps your brain remember the words. Thank you for staying with me until the end. You are a hard worker. Hard workers always reach their goals. I believe in you. You have the power to be a great English speaker. Keep practicing every day. Even 5 minutes is good. Please subscribe to this channel if you want more lessons. Tell your friends about these videos. We can all learn together. Learning is better when we do it with friends. I will see you in the next lesson. We will learn more ways to talk about our wonderful world. Goodbye for now, and keep speaking.